As today is 16th September 2021, it's really raining so much heavily over here in Rajkot city. I am from Ravi English Institute, Asik Mehta, presenting you this news. Before we start, I would like to start with some beautiful lines. And today actually we are going to enjoy so many beautiful speeches regarding memorable days. As we know very well, every moment is cherishable, enjoyable, and live. We should never postpone the joy. I always believe never postpone the joy. Whenever you get chance to smile, just smile with close up. So it really not only stuns or amazes the people who are before you, but it gives the courage to the people who are before you, as well as they also, if they are intention, so they get at least some of the motivation because of your smile. So always keep smiling. It doesn't mean to be crazy. It means to be smiley with smartness.
Oh, really?
So friends, today we are going to start with Krisha. And before I invite Krisha, I would like to dedicate this shairi to each and everyone who is having lack of confidence, who is having stage fear. Just remove these all the things and start trying. Whatever you have and you are, you deserve the applause. You deserve the clapping. So it is clapping for you. So never underestimate yourselves. I must say, never underestimate yourselves. You will be the rocking stars. जीत निश्चित हो, ये दोस्तों गौर फरमाइएगा।
किसका?
जीत निश्चित हो तो कायर भी जंग लड़ लेते हैं। बहादुर तो वो होते हैं जो हार निश्चित होकर भी मैदान नहीं छोड़ते हैं। वो भरोसा अगर ईश्वर पर हो, भरोसा अगर ईश्वर पर, तो नसीब में लिखा हुआ ही पाओगे। वो भरोसा अगर ईश्वर पर, तो नसीब में लिखा हुआ ही पाओगे। मगर अगर भरोसा होगा खुद पर, ईश्वर वही देगा जो खुद चाहोगे। With this motivation, we would like to start first speech today. Let's invite Krisha.
Hello, good evening, friends and respected sir. My name is Krisha. Today I want to share some memorable days. Actually, every moment of my life is very special for me because I spend it with my best friends and family. So I can say that we don't remember days, we remember the moments. During the Diwali vacation of 2018, my father had planned a tour of Mumbai. So my brother and father searched out some places which we had to go. Before the Diwali vacation, my exams were running. So the next day when exams were over, we left for our tour. We went to the railway station at 5:40 and our train arrived at 6. Then our tour was started. We reached there at next day morning at night at 9 o'clock, Borivali station. We took our luggage and went to the hotel. First we took our breakfast and freshed up and went to the Siddhivinayak temple. It is a Hindu temple of Lord Ganesha which is situated in Dadar. We entered there and prayed Ganesha, and then we took our lunch in the restaurant which is in front of this temple. After that we went to the Gateway of India and Taj Hotel in the evening. Also, we visited some highlights of Mumbai like Hotel Oberoi, Marine Drive, Haji Ali Dargah, and Wankhede Stadium, and some bungalows of celebrities. We clicked loads of photos and videos, but I wasn't satisfied. But it was night, so we had to come back to our hotel. Before that, we visited the Juhu beach and took our dinner there, and then we went to our hotel. The second day, we went to some places which we decided. So first we woke up early, and then we went around the resort, the hotel. The atmosphere was so hilarious and very fresh. So we walked for an hour, and then we went to Asarvat at 10. Then we went first, we got tickets, and then we went inside. There are so many adventurous rides like roller coasters and 3D horror shows. Actually, me and my brother are so adventurous than my parents. So we both are enjoyed every ride, and my parents shoot our videos. In the noon, we took our lunch inside it because there is a facility of restaurant. We clicked there so many videos, selfies, photos and all. We enjoyed there a lot, but we couldn't enjoy every ride of it because we had less time. So we returned back to our hotel. The third day, we visited some historical places like Kanheri Caves and Mahalakshmi Temple, because history is a past between the dead, the living and the yet unborn.
Man.
In the evening we decided to go to Mahabaleshwar. So in the evening we booked our tickets and resort, and then we packed our luggage. Our bus is, we went there by Volvo bus. So our bus is arrived at night at 11 o'clock, and then we reached there at 7 in the morning. We went to our resort. The resort was really so amazing. It was very cold atmosphere, so we worn our sweaters and jackets, and then we went outside. We visited the Mala's factory, and there was a mall of Mala's products, so we went there and bought some fresh juices and chocolates and all. And then Mahabaleshwar is famous for its strawberries, so we also visited a strawberry garden, and we drank there a fresh strawberry milkshake. It was really so tasty and mind-blowing, so I liked it very much. And then in the evening, we visited Vena Lake. There we were riding boats and enjoyed the nature. Me and my brother also did the horse riding there. The next day, we went to the market of Mahabaleshwar and bought some clothes, chocolates and all other things. And then in the noon, we returned to our resort and packed our luggage, and then we went to the station. We reached at our home at next day morning. We had a lot of fun there, and it became one of my memorable tour. I want to end my speech with a beautiful quote. Good memories are like a beautiful sunshine. They enrich our life with a golden glow.